Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to incorporate abs into your workout routine. Firstly, do the ab contractions. Lie on your back with knees bent, feet flat. Press your lower back into the floor and lighten your core. Hold for 10 to 30 seconds, then relax. Repeat for 1 to 3 times. Secondly, try the leg drops. Lie flat on your back, legs straight up. Lower your legs and do it toward the floor, then raise back up. Keep your lower back pressed down. Do 1 to 3 sets of 10 to 16 reps. Also the hip lift, which is lying on your back, legs straight up. Push feet toward the ceiling to lift hips and slowly lower hips back down. Do 1 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Also, both poses helping. Just sit, knees bent, feet flat. Lean back, extend legs to form a V, then stretch arms forward. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds, then repeat 1 to 2 times. Mountain climbers start in high plank. Drive on knee to chest, then switch. Alternate for 30 to 60 seconds and repeat 1 to 2 times. Rocking plank, begin in a forearm plank. Rock body forward and back on toes, then continue for 1 minute and repeat for 2 times. There's also scissors kick. Lie on your back, legs up at 90 degrees. Lower your leg while keeping the other up and switch legs in a scissor motion. Do 1 to 3 sets of 1 to 16 reps. And finally, bicycle crunches. Lie on your back, hands behind head. Extend one leg, twist opposite elbow to knee, then switch sides continuously. Do 1 to 3 sets of 12 to 18 reps. Add these moves into your workout routine 3 to 4 times a week for stronger abs and a solid core. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.